Are you looking for a way to increase your income and change your life? This AI avatar is the answer. This incredible technology is revolutionizing the online space, allowing entrepreneurs like you to tap into enormous earning potential like never before. With AI avatar, you'll get support and guidance you need to success in the digital age. So, what are we waiting for? Join us today and start making money with AI avatar. Let's jump straight to business.
Have you heard about PictoDream.com? It's an AI-powered tool that lets you turn yourself into a personalized digital image or even create an image of someone else. All you have to do is upload 10 to 20 photos of yourself or the person you want to create an image of. The AI will do the rest. The generated images are pretty cool. They can be used as your profile pictures, printed on canvas, or given as gifts to your loved ones. And the best part is that it's super simple to use. Just follow the steps and let the AI do its magic. The training process can take up a few hours, so you can relax, grab a coffee or go for a walk, and when it's done, you'll receive an email notification. Then you can get creative and create the most stunning images of yourself using the site's gallery of tips for inspiration. I know you're concerned about privacy, and so is PictoDream.com. They understand the importance of keeping your personal information secure, and that's why all the photos you upload are deleted from the server after 1 month. The site includes detailed information about privacy policies and terms of service, and if you have any questions, the contact information is readily available. The AI technology behind PictoDream.com is genuinely cutting edge. It uses deep learning algorithms to analyze the photos you upload and generate a digital image that resembles you or the person you're trying to create an image of. The generated image is so realistic, it will blow your mind. You'll be able to see how you would look with different hairstyles, outfits, and even accessories. It's like a virtual try-on without having to try anything on physically. But that's not all. The possibilities are endless with PictoDream.com. You can use the generated image as your new profile on your social media platforms and watch as your friends and followers react in awe. Or you can print the image on canvas and hang it on your walls. It's a unique and personalized piece of art that will brighten up any room. Another great thing about PictoDream.com is that it's a fantastic gift option. Imagine giving your friend or loved one a beautiful digital image of themselves printed on canvas. It's a thoughtful and personal gift that they'll treasure forever. So go ahead and try PictoDream.com. It's a fun, light-hearted way to play with your imagination and see yourself in a new light. I guarantee you'll have a blast. Have you ever heard of Picture Perfect AI? It's a fantastic new AI avatar generator, changing the game for virtual assistants, customer service agents, and even personal companions. The state-of-the-art tool takes the hassle out of creating a customized, lifelike avatar that truly represents you or your brand. So how does it work? It's simple. You just upload your photos and choose from over 100 appearance options. Each style generates 8 unique avatars, meaning you'll have 200 to choose from. The result is a high-quality, diverse avatar that reflects your personality and style. But what sets Picture Perfect AI apart from other apps is its commitment to quality. They don't take shortcuts or rely on pre-existing models. Instead, they train their own models and run their GPU servers to ensure the best possible results. And the best part, they offer all of this at an affordable price. Now I know you're thinking, what about my privacy? Don't worry. Picture Perfect AI has got you covered. All user data is encrypted and deleted after 24 hours, so you can trust that your personal information is safe. To get the most out of Picture Perfect AI, it's recommended that you upload 10 close-ups of your face, 5 chest and up photos, 3 side profile photos, and 3 full body photos with different facial expressions, backgrounds, and minimal makeup. Make sure there's no nudity or excessive makeup in your photos. Payments are protected by AES 256 encryption and processed through Stripe, so you can have peace of mind when making your purchase. Picture Perfect AI supports JPG, PNG, WEBP, and AGIC photo formats, so you can use your preferred photo format. And the best part, the avatars you create with Picture Perfect AI are just the beginning. Once you have your avatar, you can use it in various ways to enhance your online presence. For example, you can use your avatar as a virtual assistant to handle routine tasks like responding to emails or scheduling appointments. You can also use it as a customer service agent to provide quick and efficient customer support. And if you're feeling lonely, your avatar can even be a personal companion to keep your company. Picture Perfect AI is constantly improving and updating its technology so that you can expect even more features and options in the future. In a few years, your avatar might even be able to interact with others in real time. The possibilities are endless. One thing's for sure, Picture Perfect AI is a game changer. It's making the virtual world more accessible and more personalized than ever before. Whether you're a business owner, a virtual assistant, or just someone who wants to enhance your online presence, Picture Perfect AI is the tool for you. So what are you waiting for? Get started on creating your very own AI avatar today and join the ranks of those who are revolutionizing the virtual world. Have you heard of Avatar? It's this fantastic avatar creator that allows you to make a 3D avatar of yourself just by using a selfie. And the best part is, you can customize your avatar to your heart's content. You can choose different body types, hairstyles, clothes, and accessories to make it look unique and exactly how you want it. But wait, it gets even better. These avatars are fully rigged and game ready, which means they are easy to animate and can be used with significant animation software. Plus, Avatar offers easy integration into Web, Unity, and Unreal applications, which is great for game developers and other creators who want to use avatars in their digital worlds. When you create your avatar, you even get a GLB file that makes it easy to integrate into your project. And the customization options are endless. You can make your avatar look exactly like you, or you can get creative and make it look completely different. The possibilities are endless, and you can use your avatar in any digital environment you can imagine. Plus, you can stay up to date with new features and supported apps and games through the Avatar newsletter. What's even more remarkable is that Avatar is entirely free to use, and they offer lots of helpful resources, including documentation, a Discord channel, and a LinkedIn page. So whether you're a seasoned game developer or just someone who wants a cool avatar to use online, Avatar is worth checking out. Avatar also offers easy integration into web and other applications, and the GLB file that is provided when an avatar is created makes the process seamless. This feature is a huge advantage for game developers and creators who want to use avatars in their digital worlds. Plus, the Avatar newsletter keeps users up to date with the latest features and supported apps and games. In addition to being a fantastic tool for game developers, Avatar is also an excellent way for people to represent themselves online. Users can create avatars that look just like them or that reflect their personality and style. This is especially important for people who spend a lot of time online, as it allows them to have a virtual presence that feels authentic. Now let's talk about In3D. This platform is also a fantastic option for creating photorealistic 3D avatars. Unlike Avatar, In3D uses your cell phone camera to create a 3D model of yourself. The process is quick and easy, and you can customize your avatar with various clothing and accessory options. You can also create groups with other users and communicate with them, which is excellent for people who want to connect with others in virtual space. The avatars created with In3D are also instantly available for integration into digital environments created with Unity, Unreal Engine 4 or 5. This is a huge advantage for game developers and other creators, as it makes it easy to use these avatars in their projects. And just like Avatar, In3D is an excellent way for people to represent themselves online and have a virtual presence that feels authentic. Overall, Avatar and In3D are fantastic tools for creating realistic and customizable avatars. Whether you're a game developer, content creator, or just someone who wants an excellent virtual representation of themselves, these platforms are definitely worth checking out. And the fact that they're both free to use is just the icing on the cake. Profile Picture AI is a fantastic tool that lets you create a profile image that truly represents you and your personality. The device is powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology, which means you can expect your profile image to look truly unique. Whether you're looking to stand out on social media, make a great first impression on a dating app, or just want to show off your unique style, Profile Picture AI has you covered. One of the best things about this tool is the wide range of styles and characters you can choose from. There are over 361 styles to pick from, including sharp, glowing, light, Elysium, professional, pin-up, wind goddess, utilitarian, fairy princess, armor, business, cafe, focus, battle royal, and others. Profile Picture AI is based in the Netherlands, and the company takes user privacy very seriously. They only store your data for as long as it takes to generate your profile image, after which it is deleted within 7 days. Plus, the company uses a secure payment system, Stripe, to ensure that your information is safe. To get the best results from Profile Picture AI, the service recommends you provide 10 close-up shots, 3 side profiles, 5 breast shots, and 3 full-length shots. The variety is vital, so experiment with different facial expressions, locations, backgrounds, and perspectives. You don't have to face the camera in every shot. Turning away can give a different perspective. High-quality photos work best. Minimal makeup is recommended as images can exaggerate too much. Swimsuits and underwear are acceptable, but the service asks that you avoid nudity. Different packages are available at different prices, starting at $7.25 and going up to $24.75. Each package includes different styles, photos, and format options. 11,211 customers have already used Profile Picture AI and are very happy with the results. And if you still need more than that, the company offers a 14-day refund policy. Profile Picture AI is run by Danny Postma, a Netherlands-based individual entrepreneur passionate about helping people create profile images that truly represent who they are. The company does not store your data or sell it to third parties. The data is securely stored in the United States by trusted partners. Payment is quick and secure, and you can create invoices after purchase. And best of all, once you've completed your profile image, you can use it anywhere you like. Whether you're looking to stand out on social media, make a great first impression, or just have some fun, Profile Picture AI is the perfect tool for you. Have you heard about DreamPick AI yet? It's a fantastic platform that lets you turn your ordinary photos into personalized works of art. And the best part, it's all done through artificial intelligence. Here's how it works. First, upload 10-30 photos of yourself, or someone else if you want, to the platform. Then you pick from a wide range of styles, including everything from celebrities to art deco, from African shamans to comic soccer players. You can suggest your custom style if you have a specific vision. Once you've picked your style, the DreamPick AI platform uses advanced technologies like Stable Diffusion and DreamBooth to train a neural network on your photos. This creates a model that can generate new images in your chosen style. And trust me, the results are excellent. So what can you do with these personalized images? Well, the sky's the limit. You can download and share the photos on social media, use them as your new profile picture, or even use them for commercial purposes. And because the platform is fee-based, you can be sure that your photos and information are kept safe and secure. Now I know you might be thinking, but what if I want to try a different style later? Don't worry, DreamPick AI has got you covered. You can reuse or download the trained model and create images in as many different styles as you like. The possibilities are endless. And that's not all. DreamPick AI is constantly adding new styles to its list, so you'll always have options. Whether you're into futuristic cyberpunk, vintage steampunk, or the latest pop art trends, you'll find it all here. And if you don't, suggest a new style, and who knows, it might end up being the next big thing. Another great thing about DreamPick AI is that you can create images of anyone you like. Maybe you have a friend who always wanted to be a comic soccer player, or perhaps you have a family member who wants to see themselves as a Greek deity. With DreamPick AI, you can make those dreams a reality. So whether you're an artist, a creative mind, or just someone who wants to have fun, DreamPick AI is the perfect platform. With its easy-to-use interface and cutting-edge technology, you'll be able to turn your ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art in no time. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to express yourself or want some creative severe fun, DreamPick AI is the perfect platform. Try it out today and see what amazing images you can create.